employees, right? Where department number, sorry, equal to 40, right? When I did that, what was the outcome?
Zero rows deleted.
Very good, Lokesh. So when I did this, I got the output 0 rows deleted. Okay. Now let me do the other way round. Here I write the departments table. Rather than employees, I write the departments table. What will I get the outcome? Lokesh, can you guess? Or anyone?
And if there was a match with the department number 40, then it will show the one row deleted. If there was not match, then it will show the zero rows deleted.
So can we go to the departments? Let's see the data. Here we have 40. So will it delete this now? So it will show one row deleted. That is what you're saying. Right, Lokesh? So let's execute this. Very good. What we got? One row deleted. Okay. Now I roll back this because I want that data. So just to show you, I did that. So let the data go back to the departments table for my purpose. Now I do here department number 30. What will be the outcome? I'll show you the departments table. Do we have department 30?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so what will happen? Any
Same
guesses?
as
Lokesh is saying same as the earlier one. I'll get one row deleted. Right, Lokesh?
yes, ma'am.
Any other answer from anyone? Divya, Lalita, Kunal, is Rutvik there? I can't see Rutvik.
It will give the error.
What error, Divya? Why it will give us the error? Leave about what error? Why will it give me an error? Sorry, can you repeat? Your voice was breaking. I'm unable to hear you, Divya. Is the same with others?
Hello.
Yeah, Divya.
Hello.
Can you repeat?
Uh, because department number 30 is department number is for foreign key in employee table. That's why it will give the error. And 30 is present. Department 30 is present in employee tables.
Okay, let's check what Divya is saying is right or wrong. Yes. So what it is saying, delete from departments where department number equal to 30. It is giving us the integrity constraint error. You know the meaning of integrity? Integrity means you do a commitment, right, between one another. Right? What is integrity, guys? The quality of being honest. That is, I commit that I'm integrated with you. So we say integrated systems also. When one system coordinates with others. So that is called integrity. Correct? So department has promised the employees table that I'm sharing my department 30 details with you. So let us pin these departments. There are 7 departments in this 10 to 70. Okay. and when I go and check my employees table is using the department 10, 20 and 30 of departments to just get the department number, whereas the details are present in the department's table. Okay, so there is a commitment between the departments and the employees table through the constraint that is foreign key, which is here foreign key, and which is not allowing it to delete it from the parent table. So departments is the parent table. It is having the child record in employees table, and hence the error is integrity constraint violated, child record found. But in case of 40, when I deleted the department 40, that time departments 40, that is operations, there were no employees working in the employees table under the department 40. There were only 10, 20 and 30. So there was no child record, and hence it allowed me to delete that department. Is it understood by all? Good, Divya, you guessed it right, or you knew it right. But others, did you understand it now?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. I want thumbs up, guys, because I see now Lokesh coming in front. Till now, I can say who all are interacting with me. Lokesh, Divya, Kunal, Rutvik. Rutvik, I don't know whether he's there now or not, but these are the people, and Lalita, and I feel one more, Rashmi. These are the people who are Shashank also at times, but others, please start interacting, start giving the answer may be right or wrong. So now Lokesh, whatever he said it from the experience that he saw from the other DML statements. Right, Lokesh? But by that, at least you're exercising your brain to think that what would be the possible scenario. Correct, Lokesh?
Yes,
You
ma'am.
saw yeah. So it's better that you speak out than be shy and don't speak out at all. Fine. So now this is the time now, guys, when y'all are going to write these types of DMLs, build the constraint. Now you see the importance of constraints, which we learned during our first few lectures of this course. If I would have not taught you constraint, you would have not understood what does this error mean and why is it occurring. So that's the reason I had to teach you some concepts of SQL when we started the course. With this, what I want you to do is also note down the type of errors that you encounter. Since your job would be like, you will not get like, chalo ye process chala do, okay ye chal raha hai na, ऐसे smooth गया office में login किया 8 घंटे बैठा and then come back home. No, it's going to be a challenging job. You're going to get tickets on the issues that are occurring. So you will be only handling issues, and issues are nothing but these types of errors. Don't you agree? What are issues? They're nothing but the errors that will encounter, the program will encounter, the process will encounter. So then you need to know how the things are working. What type of errors is Oracle throwing at you? How is it framing the sentence? What does it mean? So anytime when I'm teaching you, I am purposely incorporating an error to tell you, see, this is what happened and this is what is the resolution for it. Is it correct, guys?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So this way, try to, now this is one ORA error that you need to note down and keep it in your records, that ORA 02292 is nothing but the integrity constraint error, wherein the child record found, and hence whenever this will pop up, you should be aware that हमने like this particular thing is going to violate some constraint, correct? So now, as that is the another reason why we need to name the constraints, because I am deleting from the departments table, but the error is FK, DPT, and no, something of that sort. Here, am I understanding which table's department number is it? Am I understanding by the constraint name?
Yes.
Actually, there should have been the employees table name and DPT NO, which would have helped us very clearly that it is a foreign key of the employees department number. In a hurry-burry, I feel we missed that constraint naming as FK employees department number or PK employees EMP. By that, whenever these constraints get violated, you can directly sense the table or understand the table where this particular key is present. Okay, and that is the beauty, or that is the importance of naming the constraint and not leaving it up to the Oracle system to name it automatically, which is like sys, and it gives a random number. It is like a sequence that it uses in order to name the constraint. So if you would have got sys 0034 violated, would you understand which table's key is a foreign key? No, right? So that's the reason naming of the constraints while you create the table or when you, that's the best practice that you need to always follow. Understood, guys?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Now, another thing I want to tell you all. So one we saw, this is regarding the integrity constraint violated. So the thing, if you write it under a block also, let's see how does it work. So if I say begin and I say end, this is very important. छोटी छोटी चीजें हैं, लेकिन how does it make a difference? So I come here, I compile this. See here, it gave you an error.
Yes.
But now it is giving you, see here, attempted to delete a parent key value that had a foreign key dependency. Delete dependencies first, then parent, or disable the constraint. It is telling you also what you need to do. See the difference when the error was thrown, when it was a standalone delete, and now when it is a part of a PLSQL block. Did you get that? That also error message is there here, but then it is giving you an extra thing wherein it is telling you to either disable the constraint. Understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. So now let me go to the funda. Okay. Okay. So now I'll show you one more thing. I clear this. And now I write here insert into departments. Now help me to insert one more data. I'm going to insert department 80 here. Okay. What type? Help me. We can skip the location, but at least help me with the department name. Anyone wants to suggest anything?
Management.
Management. Okay, let's insert that. So here I say insert into departments, values, and first is 80. Correct? That is the sequence of how it is. Department number is 80. So let me write it also here as a good practice. DPTNO, and then I have the D name. Correct? So that is what it is. And I write 80 and I give here management. Right? This is my another department that I'm trying to put here. Let me make it in uppercase. Let's see how the things work. And this is the thing. Okay. So what is expected in this block, guys? First, it will delete the departments, right? And then it will go and insert into the departments. Did you get the flow here? Is it right? First delete, then insert. समझ में आ रहा है ना? कोई प्रॉब्लम है यहाँ तक किसी को? Okay, let's execute this. So first delete, then insert. So I'm going to execute it. ये fail हो गया, correct? यहाँ पे ये fail हो गया. क्या fail हो गया? Delete from department. Where department? अभी insert हुआ है नहीं देखते हैं. Departments में जाओ, refresh करो. हुआ insert? हुआ क्या? Can you see the department 80?